I've been in talks with 𝗪𝗙𝗪𝗏 to get y'all free leads. And the only big condition, basically the agreement that I have with them, I don't have a lot of conditions on anything, but the agreement I have in place for them is that I will promote you guys signing up for those free leads as long as they can give me a guarantee that they're always going to be free. They're not going to come around in 3 months and suddenly be like, oh, you know what? We could charge money for these leads and start charging for them. So they've given me a promise that the leads are always going to be free. And in exchange, I'm going to put the link out. It's in the description of this video already. And then eventually I'll go re-edit all of the other videos from the past and put it in those descriptions. So it'll be easy to find. But essentially, 𝗪𝗙𝗪𝗏.com, they sell cabinets, really nice ones, like super nice cabinets, like great cabinets. But the problem is they don't do installs. They don't have installers as part of their business. So the people that they're selling to have to find their own installer. Most of the people who are installers are also the ones buying and building the cabinets and making money off the materials, so they're not interested. So it's hard for them to get installers, for the clients to get installers, the ones purchasing the cabinets. So what they want is they want to collect up the names and numbers and contact info for people who consider themselves to be capable of installing cabinets. And this might be full kitchens, this might be just a laundry room or just a bathroom vanity, could be anything. And they've made a form, and the idea is simply this. You click on the link, fill out the form with your info. They're going to give you a call just to go over verbally on the phone with you, just to go over some details. Like, for example, they're not recommending you. Like, they're not going to tell anybody that you're an amazing cabinet installer. They're just referring people to you. They're just going to say, hey, you need someone to install these, and that might make or break whether or not you choose to buy cabinets from us. So they want to be able to say, we have a network of installers that we don't vouch for in any way, shape, or form, but if you need to know who can install these in your city, they'll give them your name and number, your business, and those people can contact you on their own, and you can work out your own deal with them for the install. Yeah, so the link's in the description already. If y'all want to get signed up, do this for me. There's a spot in there somewhere where you can say whatever you want to say. I'm just curious how many of y'all sign up. So I told him that I was going to tell y'all when you go and actually sign up, do me a favor and tell them that you're from the Bulletproof Handyman channel. Because I'm just curious if I'm going to get a couple dozen of y'all or a couple hundred or a couple thousand. I just want to see what that reach is.